Today's topic is to work on every nth element of the list. Here we have two methods, which is method 1 slicing and to the method 2 using an enumerate functions. Let's go with the method 1 slicing. In the method 1 we are going to initialize our list and then we are going to add 10 to every third element and then we are going to show our output. You might be wondering what this is all about, right? This is what we call slicing in the Python. Here it shows that it's going to skip first and to the second element of the list and it directly going to jump from 0th element to the third element. And then the incrementation, that is we are going to increment the value by 10 and we are going to use a for loop to have a stack on our number. As you can see, our first element here we have output in 11, which is on our list 1. Same goes for 8, and which gets incremented by 10, that is 18, and then 161, which got incremented by 10 and we get 171.